Lučke. Today we will talk about the lyrics of the song Lučke, performed by Be Cool and Polkaholiki. I will leave the link to the song in the description box. This song will be the last in the series of holiday season songs for this year. While the first 3 songs that we covered on the channel are holiday season classics, this one is only approximately 2 years old. It has, however, quickly become very popular and it is definitely very catchy. Let's get into the lyrics. Leto je okrog. The year has come around. Spet romantika. Romance once again. To je najin čas. This is our time. Zvezde svetijo z neba. The stars are shining from the sky. Zvezda is a star. Svetiti means to shine. Nebo is a sky. Z neba means from the sky. But we could also say na nebu, in the sky. So, zvezde svetijo na nebu. Rad bi ti povedal. I would like to tell you. Povedal is a masculine participle. So, this is a guy speaking to a girl. Povedati means to tell. Da si še bolj moja. That you are even more mine. Moja is a feminine possessive pronoun and it means mine. Da za vedno s tabo bom delil srce. That I will forever share my heart with you. Za vedno means forever. S tabo means with you. Deliti means to share. Srce or srce means heart. Greva na Lučke. Lučke. Let's go see the lights. The lights. To go see Christmas lights is iti gledat lučke. For example, grem gledat lučke. I'm going to see Christmas lights. In daily life, however, it is very common to say gremo na lučke, which literally means we are going on lights. Da zasvetijo se ti učke. Učke. So that your eyes will shine. Zasvetiti se means to shine. In the lyrics, the letter I is skipped, therefore the apostrophe. So it is zasvetijo instead of zasvetijo. Učke is a colloquial word for oči, which means eyes. Greva sam mi dva. Only the 2 of us are going. When it comes to the word sam, the letter O is skipped. It should be samo. Samo mi dva. But in colloquial language, we often skip letters like in this case. Držal te bom za roke, roke. I will hold your hands, your hands. Držati means to hold. Roka could be either a hand or an arm. Ti zamigala boš boke, boke. You will move your hips, your hips. Zamigati means to move, especially to move a body part. Boki means hips. It is more common to say zamigati z boki, which literally means to move with hips. However, to say zamigati boke, like in our case, is also okay. Spet zaljubil se bom vate. I will fall in love with you again. Zaljubiti se means to fall in love. Ljubica can mean darling or honey when it comes to a woman. The equivalent word for a man is ljubček. Hvala, ker si z mano. Thank you for being with me. Res mi je lepo. I am having a really beautiful time. Please note that in Slovenian language, when we say I'm having a beautiful time, we say literally, it is beautiful to me. Mi is shorter for meni, which means to me. Pod zvezdami sva sama. We are alone under the stars. Naj vsako leto bo tako. Let it be like this every year. And that's all for this song. I hope you're having a successful start of 2024. Srečno novo leto, Happy New Year, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.